Denominator also 4, 2, 1, 7. So all have, both numerator and denominator have same places after the point. So you can remove the point at one stroke from numerator and denominator both. Nothing will happen, right? So it will be 81 upon 64, right, into 484 upon 625 into 25 upon 121, right? Remember this numerator and denominator, they are same, that's why, and as a multiplication sign only then you can do it. If there is plus and minus in between somewhere, you can't do it. Okay, so let's solve this. Now square root, I have 81 upon 64, 81 is 9, 64 is 8, so square root sign is gone. Then 5 upon 11, this is of this 25 and 121. I brought the easier ones first and tougher ones afterwards. So 25 is 5, 121 is 11, then 484 is 22, 625 is 25. Okay, solve this. 11 ones are 11 twos are, 5 ones are 5 fives are, and blah blah blah. You will do this 9 upon 20. Now if the answer is 9 upon 20 in the exam, keep it as it is, or else solve this. 9 upon 20 is what? 0.45. Okay, divide this, you will get 0.45. Download Yuaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months and you'll learn them by heart. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.